And right now, using the Audacity as my mixing app, I've just muted the other lines so that you can see, just see. The rest are not able to play, but we have the blue lines. That is we have drum line, the drum beat line, and also the bass line. You can hear what it is. Can you hear that? Please hear that, because it is something important. This is how I create my own music from home, and this is how I also attend to clients who want their work done. So feel free to organize and send me your own send me your song so that I create the bass lines for it. Thank you very much, because I know you are going to send it. My WhatsApp number is 0792 544 905, and you are going to feel good when your music is sounding outside there nicely.